I'm going to show you how to change the heater hose connection. I believe that's the outlet. So you're going to need is these disconnect tools I bought on Amazon. The larger one is a 22 millimeter. And you simply put it around the neck of it and you push, and it will release these clips on the inside. Let's see if I can zoom in. It releases the clips in there and it pulls out. It comes with a cheap plastic that breaks over time. This one goes into this hose, breaks off. AutoZone, they sell a replacement. Another one, where did I put that box? I had the box somewhere. Okay, I found it. The box flew off, but this is a Dorman part heater hose connector. So I changed the inlet previously. Right when we got it running, it popped off, and now I'm changing the other one. So I would recommend you doing both if you're able to. The disconnect tool, this one right here was like $7 on Amazon, and it worked fine. So I would definitely give that a try if this is your issue. It's simple, and if you haven't done it, I would recommend you do it because it caught me off guard. I was on the highway when it happened. It broke off, so thank God I was able to make it home. So simple fix. There you go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to install it. So you just simply put it in here, push it back till you hear click. Let's see. It's kind of hard with one hand, so I'm gonna do it with two hands, but basically you just push it in until you hear click. Maybe hold this one and push it in with the other hand. So let me do it. There it goes. So what I did is I put the hose on first. I sprayed it with some PB Blaster. I even added some grease to the male end, and it helped it just fit right in. A lot easier than struggling. And of course, make sure you top off your coolant levels.